In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Firestick. First, turn on your Firestick and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the Fire TV home screen, go to Find, select Search and type YouTube. Choose the official YouTube app and install it. You can also install the YouTube TV app if you have NFL Sunday Ticket through a YouTube TV subscription. Fire TV stick devices are supported for YouTube TV. Once the app is installed, open YouTube and sign in using the same Google account you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. Then search for NFL or navigate to the NFL channel page. On Sundays, eligible NFL Sunday Ticket games should appear on the YouTube home or live sections. Select the game you want to watch and start streaming. If you purchase NFL Sunday Ticket through YouTube TV, open the YouTube TV app and sign in with your connected Google account. Go to Home or Live section and look for the available NFL games. NFL Sunday Ticket provides access to regular season Sunday afternoon games that are broadcast on CBS and Fox outside your local market. And that's how you can easily watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Firestick. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.